Good morning to all. I am G.A. Hegde, working as Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, KGF First Aid College, Urgam, KGF. Today, we shall discuss about the second session of metallurgy. This chapter is included for third semester BSc, Bangalore North University. In this session, we shall discuss about selection of reducing agent, extraction of metal from ore, the steps involved in the extraction of metals. Here, we will be discussing about the reducing behavior of carbon, Ellingham's diagram for the formation of oxides of carbon, uses of carbon as reducing agent. After studying this, you will understand about the formation of oxides of carbon at different temperatures. You will also understand about the stability of oxides of carbon and a knowledge of better oxidizing property of carbon. In order to understand this, you must have the knowledge of reducing agent, properties of carbon, the two types of oxides of carbon. Let us discuss about the reducing behavior of carbon. Carbon is good reducing agent. It reacts with oxygen forming carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. The equations are C plus O2 gives rise to CO2, 2C plus O2 gives rise to 2CO. In the first reaction, 1 mole of oxygen is used and 1 mole of carbon dioxide is formed. Delta S is 0. Delta G is independent of temperature. Hence, a straight line graph parallel to temperature is obtained. In the second reaction, 1 mole of oxygen is used and 2 mole of carbon monoxide are formed. Delta S is positive, hence delta G becomes negative as temperature increases. It intersects the line of carbon dioxide at 983 Kelvin. Hence, below 983 Kelvin, formation of carbon dioxide is favored, and above 983 Kelvin, formation of carbon monoxide is favored. At very high temperature, carbon can reduce all metal oxide to metal and it is oxidized to carbon monoxide. But at high temperature, some metal reacts to form metal carbide. This is the Ellingham's diagram for the formation of oxides of the carbon. Carbon monoxide also combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. The equation 2CO plus O2 gives rise to 2CO2. 2 moles of carbon monoxide combines with 1 mole of oxygen to form 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Delta S decreases. Below 983 Kelvin, carbon monoxide is a better reducing agent than carbon. Above 983 Kelvin, carbon is a better reducing agent. You just recall what we discussed so far. We discussed about formation of different types of oxides of carbon, reducing property of oxides of carbon and carbon monoxide, selection of carbon as a reducing agent. With this, let us answer some simple question. The first question is, carbon cannot be used as a reducing agent in the extraction of chromium because the answer is B. Carbon reacts with chromium forming chromium carbide at high temperature. The second question is, below 983 Kelvin temperature? The answer is B. Carbon monoxide is a good reducing agent. The third question, above 983 Kelvin temperature, the answer is A. Carbon is a good reducing agent. The fourth one, above 983 Kelvin temperature, the answer is A. Formation of carbon monoxide is preferred. The fifth one, below 983 Kelvin temperature, the answer is B. Formation of carbon dioxide is preferred. In order to prepare this, I have referred this textbook and also internet. For further details, you can refer this textbook and also internet. Thank you.